Start trading on MEXC now. Get your $10,000 bonus when you register. Link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your daily source of the hottest crypto news. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's get started. SNX Skyrockets 120%. Is this the biggest DeFi comeback yet? In the past 24 hours, Synthetix SNX has surged by over 120%, shooting from near $1 to beyond $2.20, briefly touching $2.30 before consolidating amid heavy trading volume. This remarkable rally is being fueled by renewed hype and derivatives and anticipation around Synthetix's forthcoming perpetuals decentralized exchange on Ethereum, coupled with a trading competition slated for October 20. Traders and analysts are pointing to the token's breakout above a long-term downtrend as a possible signal that Dino Coin's legacy DeFi tokens that have been overshadowed in recent cycles might be making a return. Many believe that SNX's recent performance could mark a resurgence of interest in older projects, especially if volume continues to support its newfound momentum. XRP bounces back, hard $30B, flows flood in after trade war panic. After a brutal wipeout driven by tariffs and macro shocks, XRP has rebounded roughly 8% in rapid fashion as roughly $30 billion in capital re-entered crypto markets. The crash had followed declarations of sweeping tariffs by political actors, which triggered a cascade of liquidations amounting to nearly $19 billion. As the dust settles, selective institutional inflows have helped push XRP back toward resistance levels around $2.59. Technicals now suggest a cleaner ascending channel, $2.37 as support, $2.59 as the immediate ceiling. If XRP can sustain above $2.57, it could eye a move toward $2.70, $2.75. But failure to hold near-term gains may invite a pullback toward $2.42. Observers argue the renewed strength highlights how dip buyers are repositioning ahead of fresh macro news. ETH leads the comeback? Is Bitcoin losing its thunder? In a volatile rebound following last week's massive liquidations, ETH has outperformed Bitcoin BTC in steadier recovery. Bitcoin has stabilized near to $115,000, but ETH has raced ahead to $4,150 amid widespread market stabilization. One central theory: the epicenter of the crash wasn't weak stablecoins at all, but a structural glitch in Binance's pricing mechanism, which triggered forced liquidations and caused USD, Athena's dollar-peg token, to briefly lose its peg on some venues. Meanwhile, safe havens like gold also rallied as geopolitical tensions and expectations of U.S. rate cuts mounted. Analysts are watching whether ETH's strength signals a shift in momentum or simply a transient rebound. Marathon mines the dip, buys 400 BTC amid chaos. While many were reeling from last week's market collapse, Marathon quietly scooped up 400 BTC, signaling confidence in long-term upside despite short-term turbulence. The move comes on the heels of the market-wide meltdown that erased tens of billions in value. Marathon's purchase reflects growing conviction among miners and long-term actors that current prices are a buying chance, not a breakdown. On-chain data show this accumulation as part of a broader pattern. Key stakeholders are doubling down during volatility rather than bailing. When miners start hoarding again, many see that as a bullish indicator, especially if macro conditions stabilize. Altcoins crushed 33% in minutes Bitcoin stood tall during flash crash. In a harrowing market event, non-Bitcoin tokens were decimated, dropping nearly 33% within 25 minutes as a toxic blend of leverage and cascading liquidations forced sharp reversals across the crypto space. Whiston Capital's Charlie Erith reports that around $18.7 billion was wiped out during the carnage, with the total crypto market shedding some 13.1% of its value in days leading into the crash. Strikingly, Bitcoin held up relatively better, preserving its long-term trend and absorbing less damage. Erith points out that this divergence bolstered Bitcoin's dominance as speculative capital fled riskier assets. His team is now eyeing several metrics, including Bitcoin's 365-day EMA dominance ratios, volatility indices, and derivatives positioning for clues on the next sustained move. Those were today's top crypto news. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. A brand new video drops tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Best crypto exchanges, wallets, and all helpful links for traders are in the video description.